friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to unbox the package from UGG Australia. I've got shoes. So here is the box. They came in this box and this was on the UGG closet. So let's see how they look like. So here is the original box, and I've got model UGG Adirondacks. So the thing looks like this, and here it looks like this. I'm showing you this because some people order on Amazon and they also receive this box and they think that it's fake, but actually it's not fake, it's just new box. So that's why I'm showing, because we're changing boxes each year, each another year. And this is from original page UGG.com. So I open them. They have this paper like always, and here they are. Here is the authenticity card. Looks like this. Wait a minute. Here is the boot, and here is the authenticity card, and inside it looks like this. Can you read it? UGG Plush, UGG Pure, Treadlight by UGG and Energy Comfort System. UGG Pure is luxurious natural woven into a durable backing for a plush sensory experience with everywhere. UGG Plush blends two incredibly soft fibers, wool and lyocell, to deliver an ultra soft and luxurious wearing experience. Treadlight, offering increased cushioning, traction and durability. Treadlight by UGG is a supremely lightweight and ultra durable outsole. An energy comfort system, the next best thing to being barefoot. Our energy comfort system insole uses micropod technology, which combines soft foam and polyurethane pods for supreme cushioning. Wow. Oh yeah, okay. So I've got them in color olive. I'm not sure if I like them the color, because it's like kind of gray but a little bit darker gray, and I don't know. I only got them because they were on sale and I was curious if these ones are better than the ones that I got last year, which are these ones. Even 2 years ago, but I wore them today and they are still good ones, and I like more this color because it's, you know, it's nice. But these ones are new because other ones are 2 and these ones are number 3, and they are made from this kind of olive skin, as you can see. And here it says dry tech, and this is waterproof, and here is the, how it's called, suede. I got them in 2 sizes. This one is 9.5. I also ordered 10 size, and this one might be too tight because I read reviews that these new shoes are a little bit narrower and they are just narrow and a little smaller. I would compare them both, but other ones are wet, so I don't want. And this one sole looks like this. It has a new sole. Here it's some kind of foam. Inside is this, and then this, and then inside it looks like this. We have nice gray UGG plush lining, which comes to halfway, and then it's another kind of lining, like it's also lining, but it's like shorter. Here on this part I also feel here I feel some lining, but it's like really short. This one also have some weird spots like this, kind like it was worn or something. See, which doesn't look so good. Maybe it's just some kind of lining of waterproof material. I've got 9.5, which is UK 7.5, and they are smaller than last one. And let's see if they have a removable pad. I mean insole. Yes, it's removable. So I removed to show you. Oh, it looks like this. And here it looks like this. Different than last ones. That's interesting, to be honest. I guess that's the phone that UGG advertise, and then it just hard part. I put it back. I would keep them, but these ones I will return, because when I read more reviews and they said that they run small, so I ordered number 10, and maybe 10 I will keep, but I'm not sure yet, because I don't know if I like this dark color, because I have sand ones and I have also chestnut. That's why I'm not sure. It depends if they will be comfortable or not. And the other one looks the same, like so. Comes like this. The fur, as you can see, nice fur. I think I'm not sure if to try them on. Because I'm afraid to destroy them. And when I return them, I want them nice. So yeah, I think I will try out another ones, like size 10. And these ones I will just show you, because I don't want to ruin them. And I already tried one and it was tight, so that's how they look. As you can see, color is olive, and it looks indeed like olive. It's more like olive. It's all dark. I would prefer another color, but they are not on sale right now, so I think I will return, unless other ones looks. These ones for sure I will return because they are too small, but maybe other ones will be better. Also just wanted to show you that they have something like this, where it says they are waterproof and that they are weather rated till 32 Celsius, which is I don't know how much. And here it says faux fur, vamp and quarter lining, and polyester. Here it says so, and here it says UGG pure. This part. So yeah, this is how they look. This is for the thumb. See, even though when I pose with them, they are so boring looking. So I don't know. They might go back. I mean, these ones will go back, but other ones, I don't know if to keep them. I don't know. Let me know if in comments if you like such shoes or not, or what other brands of winter boots that are waterproof you like. I also plan to try out other UGG Australian boots, and we'll see if they're nice for winter. So if you want to see other kinds of shoes, then subscribe to my channel. I also do vlogs and other videos, so subscribe, and also you can hit notification button to be notified of new videos. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoy. Thumbs up and subscribe. See you in another one. And Adirondacks will go back. Also, this one is a little different than this one, because this part is more wide and this one is more narrow. Also, I can see that they look different, slightly different, I can tell. I don't know if to keep them or not, but for today I say bye bye. Okay, bye bye.